Hey there, small business owners. Are you juggling 1,000 tasks and wondering if bringing in a bookkeeper is the right move? Or perhaps you already have one, but you're not entirely sure what to expect from their role. Let's demystify it. A great bookkeeper can be a true game changer for your business, but understanding their core functions is key to a successful partnership. First and foremost, you should expect meticulous accuracy and organization. Your bookkeeper is the financial historian of your business. This means they'll diligently categorize every transaction: income, expenses, assets, liabilities. They'll reconcile your bank and credit card statements, ensuring every penny is accounted for. They manage your accounts payable, so you know who you owe, and accounts receivable, chasing down what's owed to you. Think of them as the guardians of your general ledger, keeping everything tidy and correct. Beyond just record keeping, expect valuable insights and reporting. A good bookkeeper doesn't just process numbers, they transform them into understandable information. You should receive regular, easy-to-read financial statements, like your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and sometimes a cash flow report. They can help you interpret these reports, highlighting trends, pointing out areas of overspending, or identifying where your revenue is truly coming from. This empowers you to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Another crucial expectation is help with compliance and peace of mind. They'll ensure your books are always ready for tax season, providing clean, accurate data for your accountant. They can assist with sales tax tracking and filings, helping you avoid costly penalties. Knowing your financials are in order significantly reduces stress and frees you up to focus on growing your business. Expect excellent communication and a collaborative partnership. Your bookkeeper should be responsive to your questions, proactive in flagging potential issues, and clear in their explanations. Regular check-ins, whether monthly or quarterly, are vital. They are your financial support system, working with you to understand your business's health. However, it's important to set clear boundaries. While they'll prepare your books for tax season, you generally shouldn't expect them to provide strategic tax advice or complex financial planning. That's typically the realm of a certified public accountant. A bookkeeper's expertise lies in the accurate recording of your financial transactions. In summary, a professional bookkeeper offers accuracy, clarity, compliance, and a true partnership. They liberate you from the grind of financial admin, giving you back time and mental space to innovate and lead. Invest wisely in a bookkeeper and watch your business thrive. Ready to find your perfect bookkeeper?